Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today I'm bringing to a video where we can finally unbox my week 18 item, which I need to turn over so that the address is not showing. But my week 18 item finally arrived. It arrived on Thursday morning. It was actually scheduled for Tuesday, then Wednesday, and then it arrived on Thursday. So it was a little bit delayed compared to normal, but that's fine because it's here, we can unbox it. And I've also got a sticker Grail a sticker Grail that arrived. I copped pretty much my Grail sort of sticker just because of the pure fact that it matches something, so I'll show you that towards the end of the video, and I'll probably do my Instagram post for today based off of that, or a picture off of that, hopefully. So yeah, let's just get straight into this video and unboxing anyway. Like I normally say on Tuesdays, but today's Saturday obviously, if your week 18 item has arrived, comment down below, what did you cop, if you copped anything from week 18, which is obviously the Spitfire week. And yeah, have any of your items arrived? I know a couple of people's items have arrived, and pretty much the majority should have by now, but yeah, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so we're going to start off with obviously the Spitfire item. I've got a knife for the second item because this should just be like an easy rip sort of thing. I still don't know if I'm going to rock this one now that I've got like the summer teas and everything, or when the summer teas arrive. So I finally get one of the letters. I haven't got one in about 3 weeks, so that's nice. I was also going to say, on the line of the summer teas, I ended up picking up one of the swimmer's tee, which I regrettably didn't get in mustard, but I picked up a black medium, so I'll possibly be selling that on at some point to then get the mustard, or just selling it on anyway just to make some profit. But this is the Swirl tee, box logo sticker, and there it is. The colours are a lot different to what they look like online. There's the little box logo. But no, that's cool. Yeah, the colours are very different to what I thought they were online. I thought it was more of a purplish colour, but it's more like a pink fuchsia-ish colour. But no, that looks nice. Whether or not I'll be keeping it or whether I'll be selling it, that is another story, but I'll decide on that at some point. I was feeling like rocking that, but I don't know. I'm a bit awkward when it comes to my tees. I already have I don't even know how many tees now that I wear on sort of like a regular basis. So I'll decide whether I'm gonna keep that or sell that, because now I've got the summer tees arriving as well. So yeah, right, this is my Grail sticker, all the way from the Netherlands, I believe, or the guy I bought it from was in the Netherlands. So yeah, it came quite a distance to get to me, so let's unbox it. Now he said, don't, cut it, don't do anything, just undo the sellotape. So I'm just going to be as careful as possible with this. Try to be as careful as possible. Okay, so what I'm doing is just taking the knife along this sellotape, and we should then just be able to slide it open. Never cut towards yourself. Okay, finally got somewhere with this. The most difficult package I've had to open to be safe with something. Right, packaging out the way, here it is. My sort of, Grail box logo sticker, because I've been after one for a while. So, as I was saying, it's my Grail box logo sticker. I've been after one for a while. Everyone that I pretty much sent an offer to wanted like 10, 15, 20 pounds more than what they actually had it listed up for. It is what it is. A lot of people change like the price when they get interest on items. So, my Grail box logo sticker, oh that's dope, is the ET box logo. That's just a dope sticker. So that is to match the skateboard deck that I have. So yeah, the ET box logo sticker is my Grail sticker. I've been after it for quite a while. Everyone who I sent an offer to either changed the price of what they had the item listed for, or I was too late to get to it. Currently they're about 30, 35 pounds. And yeah, I've been after it for like ages, and I just think it's a really cool sticker. So that's what I'm gonna try and take a post with for Instagram today. I'm gonna have that and the skateboard decks like sitting next to each other, or this sort of sitting on it sort of thing. And yeah, that's gonna be it. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be much appreciated. Like I said, obviously all the other summer teas are arriving, and then I copped the swimmer's tee thanks to somebody in the Discord. They told me that it was back in stock, so I instantly went for it. I also copped 2 of the tees from the Cause Uniqlo, I believe it is, or yeah, Uniqlo I think it is, or Uniqlo, something like that, drop that happened, because they're like £12 a tee, and for some like just Sesame Street sort of thing, because I like that. I like the sort of stuff like that, you know, I like my Space Jam tee, so I like the sort of stuff that's in that sort of era, so to say. So that's why I copped 2 of them. They should be arriving on Monday or Tuesday, I believe. But yeah, comment down below what your box logo sort of, or what your sticker Grail is, or box logo sticker Grail is down below. There's the Kermit, there's the PCL, there's the Undercover. They're like the velvety ones as well. You know, there are just tons upon tons of stickers that amount to a huge amount of money. So yeah, they're obviously the CGG ones as well, but for me personally it's this one. I'd love a Kermit box logo sticker, but personally this ET one is just dope, and it's my Grail. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, that'd be much appreciated. I should have another video out tomorrow. I'm gonna try and do like 3 days of upload sort of thing, or today and tomorrow. I might miss out on Monday because I've got some stuff that I need to do. But apart from that, the final week of Supreme is next week, or should be next week. So hopefully take some W's then, but yeah. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace.